Good morning, dear student. Now, once again, you are most welcome in DSS online English class. Myself, Dharmendra, and now we are going to explain the part 4 of your chapter, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Student, I have told you that Dr. Chanda had prescribed to Vipin Babu to go to Ranchi once again and visit the places where you had to visited, and definitely it will be better to recall your incident that has been forgot from your mind. Then, after getting the suggestion of this, Vipin Chaudhary, the Vipin Chaudhary went to the Ranchi by a train, and when he got up from the Ranchi station, he went the places and tried to recall. But what happened there? Let's be discuss in part 4. So student, आगे क्या होता है रांची जब वो पहुंचते हैं, तो इसके विषय में हम पार्ट 4 में देखेंगे. एंड डेफिनेटली इट्स अ वेरी मिस्टीरियस एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी that is written by Satyajit Ray, and he was also a very good novelist, story writer, and playwright also. So he also trying to put a lot of mystery in this story, and we will discuss and we will try to know the mystery. So let's start. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. When he got up or descended at the Ranchi station, he realized that he never been at there before, because everything is just look like a stranger for him. It is not look like that he had ever seen before. So it was a stranger for him. He came out of the station, took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. But he never want to lose his hope. So he want to saw the next other things. Maybe someone place will help to recall his memory. So he came out from the station and took a taxi and began to enter the town to try the other place which helped to recover his memory. But he couldn't find his memory will become regained. He realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotel, the bazaars, and the Morabadi hill, with none of these had he slighted acquaintance. Slighted acquaintance, student, here means that not in familiar term, that he had never seen this term. He had never seen this term. Slight acquaintance means जिसको वो अच्छे से ना जानते हों. सो उन्होंने जो भी बाज़ार, बिल्डिंग्स, होटल्स एंड मोराबाडी हिल्स, इन जगह पे जहाँ भी गए उनको ऐसे लगा कि वो इन चीज़ों को पहले नहीं देखे हैं, बिल्कुल नहीं जानते हैं. Would a trip to Hudru Falls help? Then he thinks that if we take the short trip of Hudru Fall, that might be help in regain the memory. So he went to the Hudru Fall. He didn't believe. So, but at the same time, he didn't wish to leave the feeling that he hadn't tried enough. He don't want to go to Hudru Falls because he had no feeling. He had no belief that Hudru Falls may help to regain his memory. But he don't want to leave anything that help to regain his memory. So he unwillingly decided to go to Hudru Falls, and so he arranged for a car and left for Hudru Falls in the afternoon. So arranged a car, and afternoon he just set out to the Hudru Falls. And what happened in Hudru Falls? Let's see next. At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Hudru Fall, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Babu laying unconscious beside a boulder. 5 o'clock the same afternoon, मतलब उसी दिन 5 o'clock Hudru Falls में two Gujarati gentlemen who came from anywhere to make his picnic in Hudru Falls, or to celebrate his picnic in Hudru Fall, discovered that Bipin Babu laying unconscious beside a boulder. And he just, that means कि दो पिकनिकर्स जो कि गुजरात से आए थे, उन्होंने देखा कि बिपिन बाबू अनकॉन्शियसली एक बोल्डर दैट मीन्स क्या, अ ह्यूज स्टोन, एक बड़ा से पत्थर के पास वो अनकॉन्शियस बेहोश की स्थिति में पड़े हुए थे. When he came around, and when he came around, that means came back in his conscious are the state of awake word. That means वापस फिर कॉन्सियस की स्थिति में आना ही he came round. That is it's kind of phrase. So the first thing Bipin Babu was shared that I am finished. There is no hope left. When Bipin Babu come in his conscious, he said the first word that I am finished. There is no hope left. That means वो जैसे ही वो कॉन्शियस मतलब फिर होश में आते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि वो मैं तो फिनिश हो गया, अब कोई भी होप नहीं बची है. All hope has been lost. So he just he just lost his all hope. He just lying on the bed. Next morning, Bipin Babu was back in Kolkata. Next morning, that means Bipin Babu took the train to back to the took the other vehicle, took the car and came back to Kolkata. Sorry, Bipin Babu took the train and back to the Kolkata. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. And when he returned to Kolkata, he just began to realize that there is no hope to recover his memories. And what happened with him? Definitely, he was in the state of very confusion, in the very dilemma that what happened. And when I went Ranchi, but there is no any things that might help to regain my memory again. And lots of things is going in his mind, and that's why his mind is become panic. Soon he would lose everything. His will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind was he is going to end up in the asylum and soon he began to lose his memory, ability, balance of mind. That means everything he began to lose, and he began to think that was I in a state of madness or craziness and I have to go to asylum. That means वो सोचने लगे कि अब मेरे दिमाग के बैलेंस सारी चीज़ें बैलेंस मेरे दिमाग का ख़राब हो गया, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस ख़त्म हो गया, मेरी एबिलिटी ख़त्म हो गया, मेरा काम करने की जो एक मेरी एबिलिटी थी वो समाप्त हो रही. क्या मैं पागलपन की स्टेज में आ गया हूँ? क्या मुझे अजाइलम जाना पड़ेगा? अजाइलम दैट मीन्स द प्लेस वेयर मैड्स आर क्योर्ड, वे जगह जहाँ पर पागलों का इलाज किया जाता है, अजाइलम. बिपिन बाबू couldn't think anymore, and he was not a state that he could think any further. So back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. And he come back home and asked to call to Mr. Chanda and said to Mr. Chanda that come immediately at home. Then after a shower and after calling him, he took a shower, he got into the bed and ice bag clamped on his head. And then he took an ice bag and clamped into head. That means ice bag, a pouch of ice which is put on the head to reduce the pain of head. That means एक बर्फ का एक छोटा सा पैकेट जैसा होता है जिसको सर पे रखते हैं ताकि सर कुछ ठंडा हो और सर दर्द में वो काफ़ी रिलीफ देता है. उसको कहते हैं आइस बैग क्लैम्प. Just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. And that moment his servant came back with a letter and said to Mr. Bipin Chaudhary that someone put a letter to you. And it letter was a greenish envelope with his name in a red ink on it. And with a red ink, a name is mentioned on it, and the name of, what name of mentioned on the envelope? The name of Mr. Bipin Chaudhary. Above the name, it said, and above the name, that means name जो लिखा हुआ था नेम विपिन चौधरी का, उस नेम के ऊपर एक बहुत ही बोल्ड लेटर में लिखा हुआ था अर्जेंट एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियल. दैट मीन्स दिस लेटर इज अर्जेंट एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियल ऑल्सो, मतलब ये बहुत ही अर्जेंट है और कॉन्फिडेंशियल है, मतलब सेक्रेट है, इसमें कुछ मिस्ट्री है. In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. Although Bipin Babu's condition was not so good that he could read that paper, but even though he tried to feel he ought to go through the letter, he decided. That means उनकी condition बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी, फिर भी उन्होंने सोचा कि नहीं मुझे ये लेटर पढ़ना चाहिए, because the thing is mentioned above the name that urgent and confidential. Definitely it might grow the curiosity of a person. That means अगर आपको कोई लेटर मिलता है बच्चों और आपको उस लेटर पे लिखा गया होता है कि अर्जेंट एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियल है, तो आप किसी भी कंडीशन में हो आप तुरंत उसको क्यूरियस हो जाएंगे कि पढ़ें देखें कौन सी अर्जेंट बात और कौन सी कॉन्फिडेंशियल थिंग्स इसमें मेंशन है. सो इट्स यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द क्यूरियोसिटी ऑफ बिपिन चौधरी ऑफ दैट माइंड ऑफ दैट टाइम. मतलब आप समझ सकते हो उस समय बिपिन चौधरी की माइंड की स्टेट क्या रही होगी, क्या वो उस समय कंडीशन रही होगी, इसलिए वो बहुत क्यूरियस हो जाते हैं लेटर को पढ़ने के लिए. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter, and then he tore open the envelope. इसके बाद वो envelope को फाड़ते हैं and took out the letter. This is what he read, and what it written in this letter. This letter, student, listen. Dear Vipin, I had no idea that affluence that means wellness, rich, a lot of wealth. That means धनी होना, अमीर होना, समृद्ध होना. I had no idea that affluence would bring about a kind of change in you that it has done. That means later described that कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि धन इतनी बड़ी चीज़ होती है जो कि तुम्हारे अंदर इतना बड़ा चेंज ला दिया. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? That means was it so difficult? क्या धन आ जाने के कारण तुम्हारे लिए इतना डिफिकल्ट हो गया कि तुम अपने एक पुराने फ्रेंड को भूल जाओ? Who down on his luck, who wasn't suffering from bad luck. That means जिसका लक खराब चल रहा हो उसको तुम पहचानना भूल जाओ. I have no money, so my resources are limited. And the letter said that I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I use in retribution of your unfailing behavior. That's why I imaginated, I thinking that I will definitely take your revenge to you for this unfailing behavior. Well, you will be all right again now. Well, finally, he gave us sympathetic words that definitely you will be right. You will be right again now. That means अब तुम ठीक हो जाओगे. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher, and I have also written a novel, and that been considered by a publisher, and it might be published soon or later, 2 or 3 or 1 week. If he likes it enough, it will see me through the next few months. If the publisher would like this novel, definitely he would publish it, and it might give me wealth and prosperity within few months. That means अगर ये publisher को पसंद आ जाता है तो publisher इसे कुछ month में ही इसे publish करेगा और जिससे मेरा भी luck better हो जाएगा. That means I began to earn some money. Your Chunnilal. Here, student, here the secret and the mystery is open. That means this letter is written by Chunnilal. That means above statement is said by the Chunnilal. That means letter is sent by Chunnilal. वो लेटर किसके द्वारा भेजा गया है? चुन्नीलाल के द्वारा. और चुन्नीलाल ने ऐसा क्यों किया? Because when he was down with bad luck, Bipin Chaudhary didn't take any interest to help him. So he decided to take a revenge to him. That's why he make a all plan. Now I hope so कि आपको ये बातें लेटर की सारी बातें समझ में आई होंगी. Now the next para. When Dr. Chanda came, Vipin Babu shared, I'm fine. When as soon as he finished the letter, then Dr. Chanda came to Vipin Babu's house, and Vipin Babu replied him to, I'm fine. It's all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi, and said that when I descended at Ranchi platform, I got off everything, and I just remember everything. A unique case said, after hearing this, Dr. Chanda became admire himself that I cured a person. जैसे उन्होंने ये सुना, उनको लगा कि अरे मैंने तो एक पर्सन का इलाज कर दिया. आई एम वेरी ग्रेट डॉक्टर, and said that it's a unique case. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. And he also mentioned a statement that I will definitely write it in medical journal. Medical journal means a medical treatment, a way of medical treatment. मतलब इसको भी मैं अपने रेफरेंसेस में लिखूंगा, अपने मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट की बुक में लिखूंगा कि मैंने इस तरह से एक पर्सन का इलाज किया, एक पर्सन की वापस मेमोरी लाने के लिए ये तरीका लगाया गया, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. द रीजन वाई आई सेंड फॉर यू, said Bipin Babu. Then Bipin Babu said that's why I called you I called you is that I have pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. And Bipin Babu said that I am feeling a pain in hip because he fell down in Ranchi when he went to Hudru Falls. मतलब जब ये हुद्रू फॉल गए थे और वहाँ एक बड़े से बोल्डर के पास ये जब गिरे थे तो इनके हिप में चोट लग गई थी. इफ़ यू कुड प्रिस्क्राइब अ पेन किलर एंड सेड दैट इफ़ यू कुड एनी पेन किलर देन प्रिस्क्राइब मी सो दैट आई माइट गेट रीड ऑफ दिस पेन. उन्होंने कहा कि अगर आपके पास कोई पेन किलर है तो आप हमें दीजिए ताकि मैं इससे इस दर्द से छुटकारा पा सकूँ. सो स्टूडेंट, आपको समझ में आया होगा दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी मिस्टीरियस थिंग्स and how a person can take a revenge to a man who just denied to help him. That's why Satyajit Ray is known as the master of story writer. So student, if there is any problem in this context or the paragraph, you can ask me and try to write the answer which is given in your chapter, and I will also give you some extra question. Okay, thank you.